Move tool. This essential move tool enables us to move an entire image, object, text, or a selected area of an image. You can access it by using its shortcut, the V key. Now you have an image and a new default size document along with it. Move tool involves all the dragging and dropping concepts. Just click and drag the image and then drop it into another document. You've got the image in the new document as well as the original image remaining the same. Now that's great, isn't it? It seems very simple. Okay, now let's discuss and learn how to move the selected area in an image using the Move tool. Now close the new document. I closed it without saving because I don't need this document anymore. Next, make a selection using the rectangular or any of the marquee tools in an image. Select the Move tool from the toolbar. And now just drag the selection and drop it into any part in an image or into a new document. Pretty cool, huh? This is also as simple as before. Now as you select the tool, you can find the corresponding options in the option bar. And now you're going to learn the options of the Move tool. The Auto Select option allows us to perform auto selection of the pixels in a layer or group. And when you click on its option, you can set the Auto Select as group or layer. Then when you click and enable the Show Transfer Controls option, it lets us perform transformations, such as scaling and rotation within the selection of an image. Using these handles, you can click and drag, and then again click and rotate the cursor for rotation. Now press the Enter key in the keyboard. And when you're done with the transformations, then disable the option by again clicking on it. You can access these alignment and distribution options in the selected area of an image with the help of these icons. Hence, you can move an image, text, object, or a selected area using the Move tool.